Hello guy, so I disappeared for 6 months, no post, no update, no nothings. And no, it wasn't because I was working in silence or building something crazy behind the scenes. It was a mix of laziness, lack of disciplines, and honestly, bad decisions. And I'm not gonna be here to fake motivations or pretending I was grinding every day, every single day. That's not the truth. Truth is that, so let me just be real with you. First thing, I didn't quit YouTube. I never give up on it. But I stepped away from it. And why? Why do I do it? Because it's because I need money. Because I need money. Simple as that. At that time, YouTube doesn't give me money, doesn't pay me anything. And I had to be honest with myself. I can't just sit here posting a video with zero income while my life needs a lot of attention. So I made a decision. I told myself, step away for a bit, focus on making money first, and then come back stronger. That was the plan. But here's where things went wrong. That short break became a big break. That short break turned into 4 to 5 months. Not because I was busy every day, but because I was too comfort big enough. That is the truth people don't talk about. You tell yourself you're taking a break for good reasons, but then discipline disappears and you wake up later, you delay things. You say I start tomorrow and then tomorrow and turn to week. Tomorrow it turn to months, and that is exactly what's happened to me. Another thing is I want to be honest about, I messed up on trading also. I blow accounts more than once, and that hits your confidence, and it makes you slow down as well, sometimes even stop. So instead of pushing forward, I pulled back. I told myself I need some time to reset, and to think, to get better, which is true. But at the same time, I also was avoiding pressure, and that is dangerous. Now here's the reality. I'm not coming back as some perfect version of myself. I'm not suddenly super disciplined. I'm not suddenly rich. But one thing changed me is I'm done disappearing. Right now, I made some money because I'm teaching, like I told you before, I'm teaching my own language, get some money, and I do not need a job right now. I just work wherever I want and whatever time I want. And right now, not a lot, but enough to breathe a little bit, enough to take some time again and focus on things that I want and actually matter in the long term. And YouTube is one of them, because I know this can be something big if I actually stay consistent. So this time I'm doing things differently. No fake motivations, no perfect plans, no waiting until everything is ready. I'm just starting, messy, imperfect, but consistent. I am also changing the content as well. Before I didn't really have direction. Now I do. I'm going to show the real process, the gym, the discipline, the trading, win and lose, and the day where I feel locked and the day where I feel like doing nothing and everything. But that's real life. And let me be clear about something. If I disappear again after this, then everything I'm saying right now mean nothing. So this video is also a pressure on myself. I put it all out in public, so I have no excuses. If you're watching this video and you've been off track too, this is your sign to stop overthinking and just start again. No perfectly, just honestly. So yeah, that's the truth. No excuses, no fake story, just real life. I disappeared because I lost discipline, made mistakes, and got distracted chasing money. Now I'm back, not better, but more aware. And this time I'm staying. Let's see where it goes. Thank you for watching.